Hi everyone, my name is Paul Quay. I'm CEO and co-founder of Airbitz, and our mission is to bring Bitcoin to the next billion users and actually make it really easy to use. And let's face it, Bitcoin was kind of built by engineers for engineers. User experience hasn't been that great. We aim to change that. We've got two products that we're launching. First is a business directory. I've used a handful of Bitcoin business directories out there, and I wouldn't give any of them to my wife or mom, in all honesty. And we've built a lot of business directories in the past for many other industries. We're trying to bring what we're already accustomed to, the technology that we're already used to, we're bringing that to Bitcoin. And our business directory will feature being able to just search whatever you like, whether it be a business name, any of 100 different business categories, descriptions that we integrate into the business, search by location. We'll have a mobile app so you can search based on your current location, a city that you're about to travel to, anything along those lines that we're accustomed to with a Yelp-like business directory. In addition, we're not trying to be the business directory that has thousands and thousands of listings, which are, for the most part, useless. We actually hand curate all of our listings. We've got a team of people working around the clock and scraping all of the web, scraping CoinMap, and we populate business hours, hours of operation, websites, phone numbers. We curate the actual photos from various locations for these businesses. We really want something that looks beautiful. In addition, we're actually integrating our mobile business directory with a Bitcoin wallet, taking the same stance. It's got to be easy to use. It's got to be amazing of a user experience. We first start off with the security. The data model of our wallet is to actually have keys owned by the user. That's super important, just like you've heard multiple times. Keys are encrypted locally on the user's mobile device and then backed up on our storage servers. In addition to security, safety is a really important thing. People are asking me, what's safety versus security? Well, security protects you from other people hacking into your wallet. Safety is protecting you from yourself. And I don't know how many stories I've heard of people basically losing their wallet and their money because they don't back it up. We automatically back up everyone's wallet onto the cloud service, and it's entirely encrypted, so we have no access to their information. In addition, we're probably the only wallet with encrypted data that allows people to but access their wallet if they forget their password. We actually have password recovery questions that allow them to decrypt their data in case they forget their password. So that's the safety aspect of it. Privacy is really key. If someone were to hack into our servers and get 100% access to all of the data on there, there would be zero association between a user and their public and private keys. They wouldn't even know what blob of data to try to decrypt. If you had a wallet with Airbitz and someone got into our servers, they wouldn't know what data to actually try to target. So that is incredibly important to us, that aspect of privacy. In addition, we've basically built in rolling addresses into our wallet. So every time you request funds, we create a new public address. Anytime you spend funds, we roll the change into a different address to help increase your privacy. It's something that we're going through a lot of work to do, but we think is incredibly, incredibly important. In addition, ease of use. Our financial system, and well, there's a lot of issues with our financial system, but at least the software that we've been using has been far more advanced than what we're accustomed to with Bitcoin. What we're trying to do is build that ecosystem into what we're used to with Bitcoin. We're basically building in a built-in Quicken and QuickBooks mini interface into the wallet. So every time you spend or receive funds, you can say who that transaction came from or went to. You can choose someone from your address book. You can say what category it came from. You can add categories if you wanted to. You can add notes for that transaction, and you can specify, very importantly, you can specify the fiat value or the dollar value of that transaction, which is incredibly important for financial tracking. Cool. And we've built a lot of great UI into it. And I really wish I could have actually shown you the UI here, but we're really limited on time. I do invite you guys to head over to that little corner of the building. We have our business directory on the web and on mobile, ready to demo, and we have some of the screens from our iOS wallet that we'd like to show you. It's not complete at this point, but you can get an idea of what we're trying to target with the UI. Once again, I'm Paul from Airbitz. One thing that we are looking for some developers, especially ones to work on the core of the wallet for iOS and Android, and potentially some investors if the price is right. Thanks a whole lot, folks. Any questions? Absolutely. Sorry, I didn't clarify that. It's businesses that accept Bitcoin or businesses in the Bitcoin space. So we have merchant processors such as BitPay in our business directory and a various number of wallet services as well. We have the currency exchanges on there as well. So you can hunt down a currency exchange in your country pretty easily. Yep.
Thanks, Paul.